Picture a world wherein every ailment meets its match through an impeccable cure. This domain of potential starts with the arduous endeavor of drug design, the interweaving of science, innovation, and thorough approaches that transmute a healthcare vision into tangible relief. Beyond a mere process, drug design stands as the foundation of contemporary medicine, marking a transition from concept to consumer. At its essence, it merges biological complexity with chemical precision to construct compounds that combat illness with laser-focused action. In this saga of discovery, scientists act as sleuths, deciphering molecular riddles within our bodies. Gaze through the multifaceted lens of drug design, where the journey from a bright beginning to clinical success not only brings forth novel treatments, but also carries our collective aspirations for a healthier tomorrow. Keep listening as we delve into this engaging quest from the origin of innovation to the summit of patient care. Advancing through the frontiers of pharmacology, we engage with a transferes of steps, turning scientific epitomes into beacons of health, new medications. Target identification serves as our genesis, pinpointing a biological process at the crux of an illness. Researchers meticulously navigate human biology, locating a target that, when modulated, may alleviate or arrest a disease's progression. This marks the first significant stride, paving the way for the search for a lead compound. Within this treasure hunt, myriad molecules undergo scrutiny, with one rising above as a preliminary figure of tomorrow's cure. Yet the journey from prospect to viable drug candidate is a crucible of enhancement and stringent preclinical assays. Our compound's blueprint undergoes painstaking refinement, optimizing its potency and minimizing side effects. The journey arcs toward medicinal chemistry and pharmacology, mastering the compound into a form fit for human assessment. Continue with us as the tale of perseverance and ingenuity persists. The intimate interplay between chemistry and biology becomes more pronounced as we delve into the heart of drug refinement. Medicinal chemists, akin to sculptors of molecular architecture, fine-tune our compound with the goal of balancing efficacy with safety. Each adjustment, a deliberate act, nudges us toward a potential medicinal magnum opus. Here, pharmacologists meticulously analyze the mutual influences of body and drug, a harmonious rapport informing each decision in the refinement process. We underscore a singular truth: the commitment to safeguarding health. For scientists, safety and effectiveness are not merely benchmarks to be passed, but are moral obligations to fulfill our promise to preserve life. What transcends is the revelation that drug design is as much a chronicle of human creativity as it is a scientific endeavor. Moving forward, observe how these elements coalesce, crafting a masterpiece poised to navigate the demanding trials ahead. Progressing through the complexities of drug design, we find ourselves at the precipice of clinical research, where hypotheses and human experiences intersect. Clinical trials, structured in escalating phases, put to test the compounds shaped by medicinal chemistry. Phase 1 seeks to discern the safety profile and optimal dosing in a small cohort. In Phase 2, with a broader patient assembly, efficacy and safety further crystallize, signaling the compound's promise within the intended disease context. Phase 3 expands this scope to a grand narrative of thousands, benchmarking the drug against existing treatments or placebos, leading to decisive data that will influence the regulatory verdict. The FDA's meticulous analysis now will determine the future of these innovations in the grander health landscape. As we await the final verdict of this arduous scientific journey, anticipation mounts. Will these efforts herald the debut of a novel champion against disease? This denouement is at hand as the cycle nears completion, touching the threshold of global impact. Upon reaching the zenith of this deliberate journey, we stand before the gatekeepers of health, regulatory authorities poised to turn scientific discovery into widely available therapies. They rigorously assess our drug, comparing each piece of trial data against the imperatives of safety and efficacy. Approval granted signifies the start of production, transforming theoretical entities into practical solutions. With continued vigilance, post-market surveillance ensures patient well-being remains in the forefront. As this chapter in drug design draws to a close, the ongoing narrative of healing marches forward. Each tablet, each dose, began as an idea sculpted within the crucible of science and brought to fruition through unyielding commitment. Every individual touched by these advances echoes the triumph of an idea, a once sought cure now a reality with a lasting imprint on humankind.